going to go over how to set up your iPhone and to be able to be used for a test account, and also to set iTunes Connect so you can make in-app purchases using that test account without having to actually pay any money. And you're going to need to do it anyway because you got to get screen captures of the actual in-app purchases in order to upload your app, even though for some reason it's already in the system. Apple also wants you to take a picture of it and actually put it up into there before they'll approve it. And a lot of people miss this step. And if you miss it, it'll get disapproved and you'll have to go resubmit the whole thing all over again. So we'll get to that in a further episode, but just be wary of that and make sure that you don't do it the incorrect way and that you upload that picture. Otherwise, you're going to be up the creek. So first thing we need to do is we're going to go to our Apple developer account again. Again, Member Center. And we're going to go back into certificates, identifiers, and profiles. And the first thing we're going to do is go into devices. And if you're just starting out, you won't have any in here. And in order to do that, you hit the plus sign up here. And you're going to need your UDID. So you could put a unique name in here like my iPhone, whatever is going to make it unique for you. And you need your UDID. And if you don't know how to get your UDID, if you have an Apple device, and I'll put the link below this video, it's a YouTube video. You just go watch it and download this free app. And you can extract your UDID off of it and email it to yourself. And just paste it right into here. But here's the actual video. Here's the YouTube link up here. But I'll put it in the comments down below so you can quick link to it and just watch it later. And after you're done, you just hit continue. And at that point, when you go back to devices, it'll be in here. And this is my phone right here. So it's all set. So after that, next step is to go to iTunes Connect. And you're going to go to users and roles. Now, I've already set mine up, so I'll just show you how to do it. But up here, if you see iTunes Connect users, you could put yourself in here. You just fill out this information here, and it'll upload itself. You should be already in there, so it's not a big deal. What you're more concerned with here is up in Sandbox Testers. This is where it's going to allow you to make in-app purchases for free and actually display the in-app purchases on your device, so you can take a snapshot of it and upload it. And also test your app, of course, on your phone or whatever device you're going to be using, an iPad or whatever you have. So if you go into here and you hit plus, you just fill out the information here, hit save, and you'll get an email to the address that you put into this email section, and you'll just verify it and you'll be all set, and your device will be, your UDID will be associated with the device, and you'll be able to do testing on that device when we get to that point later on. One other thing too is if you're using a same email address that you already use that's associated with an Apple ID, it won't work because it thinks you're trying to scam it in some way for some reason. But there's a way around it. If you have Google Gmail, and I highly suggest that you use Gmail for this, you can put a +1 after your email address, or a +2, whatever you want. And it'll still go to your main Gmail account, but it'll allow you to actually put a different email address in here and kind of trick up Apple into thinking that it's a different one. So in other words, if your email was my email at gmail.com, I would just go and put +1 here. And it would send it to my same address, to this one here, and it gets around that whole little silly rule. But other than that, that's it. Once you do that, you're done. You go and verify it through your email, and you're all set. And that's it for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.